How to add project files. How to add new project files using our software. First, let's start by clicking on the Projects tab. This can be found in the top navigation menu of the IT-Land CRM dashboard. Next, click on Project Files from the list of options that appear. This will take you to the page where you can view all the files related to your projects. To add a new file, simply click on the Add File Plus button. This will open a new window where you can enter the details of the file you want to add. Enter the name of the file in the File Name field. Then, select the project that the file is related to from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Attach File button and select the file you want to upload from your computer. You can also add a version number for the file. Once you've filled in all the required details, click on the Add Task button to add the file to your project. And that's it. You've successfully added a new project file to IT-Land CRM.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.